Good evening to all of you, and thanks to Bachpan Express, thanks to Govind sir and Meena Pandey ma'am for inviting me to give a lecture on public relations and publicity and propaganda. This is something very, very important and one of your major subjects in the UGC NET exam. This is a live lecture. I'm trying to incorporate many things in one lecture, and I will be giving two lectures on the same topic. One is on public relations, the other will be on propaganda and publicity, which is again a subtopic of your NET exam. And anybody who's looking at the live, of course, can have some questions, and we can take the questions after the live is over. I will try myself that I can share through technology. Of course, I'll try to share the best of my presence, my lecture, and also through the PPT. I've made a small PPT, and that can always be shared with all the students who are there in that particular, who are preparing for that particular subject. Okay, formally starting with my session, this is PR, and the full form is public relations. Public relations, one of the key important elements of communication today. And if I say public relations, a very interesting word. I'll start with a little funny note, maybe a funny note, or maybe some of my ex-students can relate to it. For me, public relations is PR, and it is PR and PR, and that's how I relate it. And that's how my teachers have taught the subject to me. And with my teachers, I have also incorporated this subject with my students. I have developed this subject with my own students and can understand it way better with you, Generation Next. Okay, I will just start with some important key words which are used for public relations. Public relations is a planned and persuasive communication which is designed to create and maintain good relations at any organization. Here I would say that it is not any organization only, it is also with any human being, with any person, even in your family. So don't always think that public relations is where you have a big corporate or where you have only government relations. It is always between two individuals that you need to understand. Okay. With the public relations, yes, this is important to understand. In terms of public relations is often studied from a managerial, instrumental way in many departments in management, in many departments in mass communication. It is also understood in a better form with subjects more related, more inclined towards communication, mass communication, and journalism. Now, I am trying to share my screen so that I can be a little more crisp in terms of my this lecture. And I'm just trying to share one of my interesting PPTs, which is a very simple one, through which you can elaborately understand the functions and the ideas how public relation came, and what are the important key definitions of public relations which generally come in the NET examination. I'm trying my level best to share the screen with all of you. If you can just give me 1 or 2 seconds, I will do that. Yeah. In the meanwhile, I would like to just make all of you understand also one point before I start with my PPT. Public relation is often studied from a managerial instrumental perspective. To understand its role, building trust or creating mistrust in developing and destroying companies' operations, public relation is also needed. It is also a need in terms of understanding social phenomenon. So when we are talking about public relations, we need to understand that public relations is something which is actually the link between the company and its people. There are two kinds of publics. There are internal public and there is external public. So both these publics need to engage in the communication so well so that they can easily bind all these things together and form a great organization, and from a great value-based organization. So that is the whole need of public relations. Okay, I'll give a little pause here, and I'm trying to figure it out how to share the PPT from this. I'm just give me 2 minutes, and I'm just taking a pause for a while. Yeah, and just figuring out with it. Is anyone able to see my PPT? I think no. Okay.